The solemnity of the Annunciation invites us to contemplate a decisive moment in salvation history, the moment when heaven awaited the response of a young woman, the Virgin Mary. The Gospel presents the mystery of the virgin birth. Mary is greeted as full of grace, and she conceives not by human will, but by the power of the Holy Spirit. This reveals the Church's dogma of Mary's perpetual virginity, that she is virgin before, during, and after the birth of Christ. The Catechism teaches that Mary remained a virgin in conceiving her Son, a virgin in giving birth to Him, a virgin in carrying Him, and a virgin in nursing Him. This is not merely a biological claim, but a theological truth. Jesus is entirely God's gift. Salvation is not achieved by human effort, but initiated by divine grace. Mary's virginity signifies total openness to God, a heart undivided, wholly receptive to His will. Yet the turning point of the Annunciation is not only the miracle, but Mary's response, her fiat. Behold the handmaid of the Lord, be it done to me according to your word. In that moment, Mary freely consents to God's plan. The eternal Word becomes flesh, not by force, but through her willing cooperation. The Catechism teaches that the Father of mercies willed that the Incarnation should be preceded by assent on the part of the predestined Mother. Her yes becomes a key to our salvation. As the fathers of the Church often express, the disobedience of Eve is undone by the obedience of Mary. Saint Irenaeus beautifully wrote, "The knot of Eve's disobedience was untied by Mary's obedience." Mary's fiat reflects an interior freedom. She does not fully understand everything. She even asks, "How can this be?" Yet, she chooses trust over fear. This teaches us that faith is not the absence of questions, but the courage to say yes, even amid uncertainty. In our own lives, we are constantly invited to make our own fiat. In vocation, in daily responsibilities, in moments of sacrifice, and in accepting God's will when it challenges our plans. Like Mary, we may feel unprepared or afraid, yet her example shows that grace makes possible what seems impossible. The Annunciation reminds us that salvation begins with God's initiative, but it unfolds through human cooperation. Mary's virginity reveals total openness to God. Her fiat reveals total surrender. Today, we are invited to echo her response, to be open like Mary, to trust like Mary, and to say yes like Mary. For in every sincere yes to God, Christ is made present in the world once again.